In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple properties in Ownerrez. We'll walk through the process from the main Ownerrez screen all the way to saving your new property entries. This is a helpful feature if you're setting up several properties at once and want to avoid adding them one by one. It can save time and keep your setup process much more organized. To begin, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard or inside your account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, and it's the starting point for getting to the property management area. From that left side menu, click on Properties. This will open the section where all of your existing properties are managed. If you already have properties in the system, you'll likely see them listed here. If not, that's perfectly fine. You're in the right place to start adding them. Next, click on Add Properties. This opens the setup options for creating new property records in Ownerrez. At this point, you may see different ways to add a property depending on your account layout or settings. From those options, choose Multiple Properties. This is the option you'll use when you want to create several property entries in one go, instead of repeating the process individually for each one. It's especially useful during initial setup or when expanding your portfolio. Now you'll be taken to a screen where you can type in the property names. Enter each property name carefully in the provided area. Make sure the names are clear and easy to recognize, since these labels will help you identify each property later when managing bookings, calendars, pricing, and other details. If you have a naming format you already use, this is a good time to stay consistent. Once you are done entering the property names, take a moment to review everything before moving forward. Double-check spelling, make sure each property has been entered as intended, and confirm that you haven't missed any. This quick review can help prevent confusion later, especially if you're adding a large number of listings. When everything looks correct, click Save. Ownerrez will then create those property entries for you. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple properties in Ownerrez. After saving, you can continue setting up each property with more details as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.